I guess makes a lot of sense to start from the story of where Raf and I, my co-founder, and I met. Raf and I met at Imperial College doing research in the field of biomedical engineering, which is a pretty big field, but specifically actually working on the idea of new biosensing technologies. So kind of the whole research theme behind anything we ever did was working with new technologies that can change the way we sample human health. And both of us were really kind of passionate about the world of kind of where the movement of proactive health management was going, preventative health, empowering individuals with their own health information. That's something that we were really passionate about individually. And so we kind of started looking at basically how can we enable this movement and how can we actually accelerate this movement of being able to bring deep health information to individuals as fast as we could and as best as we could. And long story short, that's kind of been the umbrella behind and the driving force, everything that we ever worked on. So the company initially was really tackling the biggest issues that we saw towards accessing health information, and that was pain, cost, and time, right? So focusing on those, and everything we saw was either in the realm of kind of well-being devices like Apple Watches or Fitbits, which are interesting but limited in what they could sense, like heart rate, sleep, steps. Whereas whenever you wanted to cross the skin barrier, that's when you enter the medical device realm. So it's kind of puncturing, extracting of fluids, analysis, all this type of stuff. So we kind of said, okay, how can we actually combine the user experience that you get from a wearable, but give you the level of information you could get from a clinical lab or a medical device? And that was really how we got started with Caura initially. And the story is long, and we've been through pivots, grown, and became small, all of that. But long story short, we developed this new piece of technology based on microsensors that allows us to do continuous and painless monitoring of molecules in the human body.